Let me show you the coolest career nobody tells students about in the aviation field. With fast brain, sharp focus, ATS, the air traffic controllers are the real MVPs. They literally tell every pilot when to take off, land, and stay safe in the sky. If you can think fast under pressure, this is your world. Are you a hands-on fixer? Love opening gadget, fixing things? You can be an aircraft maintenance engineer who keeps every plane safe to fly. No AMEs, no flights. High respect, high salary. Let's talk about the career 3 in aviation, safety and investigation officer. If obsessed with details, these are the Sherlock Holmes of the aviation. They find what went wrong, prevent accidents, and create safety rules. Super serious, super impactful. Let's talk about cabin crew, air hostesses, and flight stewards. Social, confident, calm person. It's not just smiling and serving food. Cabin crews are trained for the medical situation, emergencies, safety protocol, perfect for friendly extroverts with a people skill. Another one, airport operation manager. They run the whole airport, baggage, boarding, gates, safety, everything. If you like managing chaos, this is a peak boss energy for the born leaders. If you love maths and physics and have a builder mindset, you literally can design aircrafts, rockets, satellites, engines as an aerospace engineer. If the science is your superpower, NASA vibe starts here. Have you ever heard about the drone pilot, UAV specialist? It carries the vibe of tech with gaming energy. Fly drones for movies, security, agriculture, defense or delivery. Future-proof career, and yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Flight dispatch officer decides the route, weather plan, fuel, timings, literally the brain of entire flight. If you love planning everything and strategy is your approach, this is your jam. Ground handling and logistics are full of energy and practical lessons. Everything at the airport that moves passenger, cargo, bags, they make it happen. Last but not the least in the list is the airplane revenue or business analyst. Personality fit is for number lovers and logical thinkers. These guys decide ticket prices, flight routes, profits. It's aviation plus business plus analytics, the future gold mine. There's a whole universe of career. Technical, creative, strategic, business, safety, something every personality type. Aviation is not just pilots. If you want real clarity about the career across stream, across borders and across future opportunities, follow me right now because your dream career deserves the right directions, not random guesswork.